Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them.
Have you ever wondered how to protect your assets from unforeseen threats or lawsuits? It's a question that resonates with many in today's volatile business environment. We live in an era where the unexpected is the norm, and risks, both seen and unseen, loom large. In such times, safeguarding your personal and business assets becomes paramount. Asset protection is not just a buzzword, it's a necessity. It's about creating a shield for your hard-earned assets against potential threats and lawsuits. One popular method of asset protection is establishing an LLC, a limited liability company. An LLC offers numerous benefits. It provides liability protection, separating your personal assets from your business liabilities. It allows pass-through taxation, meaning the company's profits go directly to the owners, avoiding double taxation. But is there an LLC that offers world-class asset protection? Indeed there is. Welcome to the world of Cook Islands LLC. So, what exactly is a Cook Islands LLC? Well, an LLC or limited liability company is a type of business structure that combines the pass-through taxation of a partnership or sole proprietorship with the limited liability of a corporation. Now imagine that kind of arrangement but set within the tropical paradise of the Cook Islands. That's a Cook Islands LLC. Located in the South Pacific, the Cook Islands is a self-governing territory in free association with New Zealand. But don't let the picturesque scenery fool you. It's a jurisdiction recognized for its political stability and favorable business laws. The formation of a Cook Islands LLC is straightforward. Like with any LLC, it involves filing the necessary paperwork, which includes the articles of organization and an operating agreement. The Cook Islands, however, offers an added layer of privacy. The identities of the members and managers of an LLC aren't publicly disclosed, offering an additional layer of anonymity. What makes a Cook Islands LLC unique, you ask? It's the strong protective laws and the jurisdiction's refusal to recognize foreign judgments, except in very specific cases. This means that the assets of a Cook Islands LLC are shielded from potential legal threats. It's like having your own private fortress, but for your assets. But it's not just about protection. A Cook Islands LLC also offers flexibility. It can be structured in many ways to meet the specific needs of its members. It can be a single-member LLC, a multi-member LLC, or even a hybrid of a corporation and an LLC. In addition, the Cook Islands has a sound legal system based on English common law, and its courts are well-versed in business and commercial law. This means that you can trust the legal system to understand and respect the structure and operations of your LLC. In essence, a Cook Islands LLC provides a strong legal shield for your assets. It's a powerful tool for anyone looking to protect their wealth, while also enjoying the benefits of a flexible and efficient business structure. Now, let's dive deeper into why you should consider establishing a Cook Islands LLC. The Cook Islands, a self-governing parliamentary democracy in the South Pacific Ocean, is globally recognized for its world-class asset protection services. When entrepreneurs form a limited liability company, or LLC, in the Cook Islands, they gain an ironclad shield for their assets. This shield is designed to protect against potential financial risks, including lawsuits, creditors, and bankruptcy. In the unpredictable world of business, this level of asset protection is invaluable. But the benefits of a Cook Islands LLC extend beyond asset protection. Privacy is another remarkable advantage. In today's world, where data breaches and information leaks are common, the Cook Islands offers a safe haven for business information. The jurisdiction does not publicize the details of the LLC members or managers, preserving confidentiality. This level of privacy can give entrepreneurs peace of mind, knowing their business affairs are discreet and secure. Let's not forget about the tax benefits. The Cook Islands has a favorable tax climate for businesses. Profits generated outside of the Cook Islands are not subject to local corporate income tax. This means entrepreneurs can potentially save a substantial amount in taxes, which can then be reinvested back into the business. Furthermore, the Cook Islands has no capital gains tax, no estate tax, and no wealth tax. This tax-friendly environment can make a significant difference to the bottom line of businesses. In addition to these benefits, the Cook Islands provide stability and a professional business environment. The jurisdiction has a robust legal framework, a well-regulated financial services sector, and a reputation for maintaining the highest professional standards. Establishing a Cook Islands LLC also enables entrepreneurs to diversify their investments and operations internationally. This can open up new markets, reduce dependence on a single economy, and provide opportunities for growth and expansion. With these benefits, it's clear why a Cook Islands LLC is a preferred choice for many. But how does a Cook Islands LLC provide this world-class asset protection? Let's dive right in. To understand how a Cook Islands LLC provides asset protection, it is crucial to understand its legal structure. A limited liability company, or LLC, in the Cook Islands is a distinct legal entity. It means that the LLC's assets and liabilities are separate from those of its members. This separation creates a protective barrier that shields the personal assets of LLC members from the company's liabilities. In other words, if the LLC faces a lawsuit or creditor claims, the members' personal assets, like their homes or personal bank accounts, are generally off-limits. The Cook Islands, a self-governing territory in the South Pacific, has a strong legal framework for asset protection. The nation's laws are deliberately designed to attract international businesses, and they offer robust protections for LLCs and their members. This legal framework is underpinned by the Cook Islands International Limited Liability Companies Act, which provides the rules and regulations governing LLCs. One of the key features of this act is the charging order provision. This provision essentially says that if a member of an LLC is personally sued, the claimant cannot directly seize the LLC's assets. Instead, they can only obtain a charging order, which gives them the right to receive any distributions that would otherwise go to the member. If the LLC doesn't make any distributions, the claimant gets nothing. Furthermore, the Cook Islands has a 2-year statute of limitations on fraudulent conveyance. This means that after 2 years, a transfer of assets into a Cook Islands LLC cannot be challenged, even if a lawsuit is pending or imminent. But perhaps the most compelling aspect is that the Cook Islands does not recognize foreign judgments. So, even if a creditor wins a lawsuit in another country, they can't enforce the judgment in the Cook Islands without starting a new lawsuit there, under Cook Islands law. Therefore, a Cook Islands LLC ensures your assets remain safe and secure. The unique combination of legal separation, charging order protection, the 2-year statute of limitations on fraudulent conveyance, and the non-recognition of foreign judgments provides a robust shield for your assets. To wrap things up, let's revisit the key points about Cook Islands LLC. Our journey through the world of asset protection has brought us to a unique destination, the Cook Islands. Here, we discovered a remarkable entity known as a Cook Islands Limited Liability Company, or LLC. This legal structure, while similar to LLCs you might be familiar with, offers unique advantages in asset protection that are hard to match. The Cook Islands LLC is a hybrid business entity that combines the best of corporations and partnerships. It offers the flexibility and tax advantages of a partnership, with the limited liability protection of a corporation. This makes it an attractive choice for business owners and investors looking to shield their assets from potential claims or lawsuits. One of the key benefits of a Cook Islands LLC is its robust asset protection. The Cook Islands has some of the strongest asset protection laws in the world. These laws are designed to protect the assets of an LLC from creditors, lawsuits, and other threats. If you're concerned about protecting your hard-earned assets, a Cook Islands LLC can offer an unparalleled level of security. But it's not just about protection. A Cook Islands LLC also offers significant tax advantages. The Cook Islands is a tax-neutral jurisdiction, which means that there are no local taxes on income or capital gains derived from an LLC. This can result in substantial tax savings for those who choose to establish a Cook Islands LLC. In addition, the Cook Islands LLC offers privacy and confidentiality. The names of the members and managers of an LLC are not publicly disclosed, providing an extra layer of privacy for those who value it. To sum it up, a Cook Islands LLC combines robust asset protection, tax advantages, and privacy in a unique and powerful package. It's a tool that can be used by businesses and individuals alike to protect and grow their wealth. In this risky business world, a Cook Islands LLC stands as a reliable fortress for your assets.